We hit the plan and it's cops full of jealous. We in the bag and we might get a TI. And I'm in a bad bitch.
Hey babies, what's good? It's your girl Chanel and I am back with another video. So you guys already know I'm literally the #1 mentor online right now, helping you grow online, make money, and go viral in 30 days. If you guys don't know, I do have a mentorship program that you can try out for $97. I teach you how to grow your Instagram. I teach you how to grow your YouTube. I teach you how to build out your own course. I teach you how to run ads. I get on monthly coaching calls with you. I audit your content. I give you everything you need to know to go viral and get paid online in 30 days or less. And if you want me as your mentor, working with you step by step, then you need to check out the description box down below and lock into my mentorship. But now what we're going to cover today is the laziest ways to make money online. The laziest ways. And I'm going to be honest with you, if you have an iPhone in your hand, if you have a laptop, if you have an iPad, if you have Wi-Fi, and if you have the internet and you're still crying that you're broke, I'm gonna be the first person to tell you that it is literally your fault. There's no reason why anybody should be struggling with finances right now in 2025, 2026. There's no excuse. If you have time to scroll on this video and watch this, then you have time to make money in your sleep. At minimum, $100 a day. And I'm gonna teach you today exactly how you can do this. So a lot of people complain about AI. It's gonna take out jobs. AI is terrible. AI is literally creating millionaires. AI is literally building out businesses and running businesses for you while you sleep. You don't need to have any tech experience. You do not need to have a whole lot of money to start. Like, this is crazy. And I'm about to put you on. So in this video, y'all, I'm going to be teaching you the laziest ways that you can make money right now from that phone, from that computer, from that laptop, right? And I'm going to teach you guys how you can build out a Shopify store in under 2 minutes, have it fully loaded, have it have an automation to where you can make $100 minimum a day, no inventory, you don't have to ship anything, no warehouse needed. So by the end of this video, guys, I'm going to show you how I built out a store that brings me in over $100 a day. Look at these Stripe sales, right? Look at these sales. And I'm going to teach you exactly how I was able to set this up without the normal stress of running an online business. It's so easy. Automations are set up, inventory already built in. Watch this, guys. So I'm going to take you guys to my computer so I could really lock in and show you how to do this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is click the link down below in my description box, buildyourstore.ai. And when you get there, click build my free store. Once you're inside, they're going to build a store for you in less than 2 minutes for free. First thing you want to do is choose your niche. We're doing the laziest ways to make money online. So instead of choosing a niche right now, I'm just going to do I'm not sure. Then they're going to ask us to choose banners for our homepage. I actually do like this vibe. I like this. So click update. And then you're going to create a Shopify account for free right here. Then you're going to go back and click done. So you're going to link your Shopify store right here. You're going to click access Shopify, copy this link, put it in the store URL. Then you're going to grab your Shopify discount, hit done. We're going to install the Build Your Store app. Okay, so let's make our store unique. As you can see, I did that literally in under 1 minute. So now the next step, we want to register AutoDS. We're literally going to find all the trending products we need, import them in one click, fulfill all the orders, and run your business on autopilot. I already have an account with them. Once you get an account and you're inside, it's a huge marketplace. They have home and garden, outdoor stuff, sports and fitness. There's so much that you can add to your store, and AutoDS will run this on autopilot. You don't have to put up money for inventory. Okay, so look at these items. So this will be something that I would add to my store. AutoDS will fulfill this, take care of all the heavy lifting, and you won't have to worry about a thing. Import this in the drafts. We'll go to drafts. Once it's here, you can import it directly into your store. So then we're going to go back to AutoDS. Your Shopify store is live. It is that easy. So we're going to click access my store. And when we get into the store, look at this. So they build out an entire homepage. You have your catalog that you can edit. So you guys, you have to tap into this. Okay guys, so you saw how easy that was. Literally takes longer to make coffee. It takes longer to cook dinner. And I just built out a high performance store, showed you how to do this literally in under 2 minutes. And you're complaining? And you might watch this video to the end. So that tells me that you have 2 minutes to devote to your time, your website, and building a brand right now in 2025 that's going to be bringing you a minimum of $100 a day. So this is literally insane. So with this website that could be built out in under 2 minutes, with AutoDS running the automations and taking over all the heavy lifting, like this is the easiest, laziest method, no excuse method to making money from your phone. And then you guys know, after you build out your store, after you have the automation set up and it's running on autopilot, it is time to promote your product. And you can promote your product with high quality reels, which I teach you in my mentorship that you can join down below for $97. I teach you step-by-step how to create high quality reels that sell products like this. Look at this bedroom reel. Look at the edits. Look at the quality. It has 16,000 comments with automation set up where it's literally writing each person, sending them the link to shop. I teach you how to do all of this in my mentorship. So you guys need to lock in to that and just look at this. Look at this. Top tier. Then if you do not want to create reels, then you need to run ads, and you need to run ads to high quality content. And inside my mentorship, I also teach you how to run ads to sell your products and services on Instagram. It's super easy, crazy. So first you need to build your store. Connect AutoDS so that they can do all the heavy lifting and run this store for you on autopilot. And then 3, you want to push traffic to your items, right? And you want to do that through 1, high quality content, and 2, ads. And I teach you exactly how to do this step by step in my mentorship, and you need to be there. Monthly coaching calls, everything included. Lock in with me. All of this stuff will be linked down below. Now let's talk about the next laziest way that you can make money right now. My next favorite and laziest way to make money right now is print on demand products, which AutoDS literally helps you with as well. These are other ways, guys, that you can make money, and you can start drop shipping with print on demand with AutoDS, where you can literally get custom shirts, t-shirts, mugs, all of this stuff on your store and sold. You don't need inventory, you don't need startup costs. Print on demand is literally going to handle everything for you. And the best part about this right now, guys, is you do not need to be tech savvy. You do not need to have a whole bunch of money. You do not need to pay to outsource all these people, graphic designers, funnel people, or warehouse, pay people to ship it. They literally handle everything for you. Do you guys understand how crazy that is? Like back in the day when I was running businesses, I've been running businesses since 2014. I would spend weeks building out a website on Wix.com. And that took forever. Right now, graphic designers are charging thousands of dollars to build out websites. There's absolutely no need when you can have this built out in 2 minutes. And then inventory, startup costs. Like back in the day, you actually needed some money to get your business started. You needed investors, you needed startup costs, you needed money to make money. Right now, you literally can get started without huge upfront costs. So if you are ready to seriously build out a brand, if you are ready to seriously start making money right now, create a side hustle. I'm not telling you to leave your job or whether you're gonna leave your job, whatever the case may be, everyone watching this needs to lock into this and create some passive income. Right now, we could all use some extra money. Y'all see where this economy going? You see the price of rent, mortgages, houses, freaking groceries. It's expensive around here. So all of us could use an extra $100, $300, $400, $500, $1,000 a day right now. Or from a phone that we sit and scroll on all day, every day. So I need you guys to click that link in my description, build your store out with AI in under 2 minutes, lock in AutoDS. AutoDS takes care of the rest. Comment down below if you have any questions on this, any support, and make sure you share the links to your store in the comments. We need to support each other, shop each other's products, and I love you guys so much. And don't say that I did not put you on, and let's get that lazy money bag. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning?